I just want to show you what the method is for cutting the foil board should you need to cut it down. So let's just imagine that we need to cut this to a smaller size. So we get our measuring tape, we get our knife, and let's just imagine that we're making this 110 millimeters from that edge. So there it is there. I'll make a little cut in the surface and the same at this end, like that. Let me turn that around. Notice that I've got another piece underneath as a backing because I don't want to cut into the floor. So then we need a straight edge. So I've got this as a straight edge. If you can use just about anything. Borrow your kid's school ruler if you need to. And so then we need to cut along the edge. So I'm just lining up, you can see I'm just lining up with the little cuts that I made. So I'm using this long knife. If you've got a kitchen knife, that's okay. Just one thing, when you're cutting foil board, it's really good to have it, cut it at a very steep angle like this, rather than at a shallow angle like that. The shallower the angle, the more tear out of the styrene underneath that you're going to have. So if you've got a nice steep angle like that, you can cut along here a couple of times. All right, if you haven't cut quite through, you see that's not quite through, but I can just bend it over like that. Okay, and again, we can just cut along there. There's the offcut, and there's our trimmed foil board to go in your heating outlet.